As promised in my previous video concerning the DELL latitude E5450, I will have a go at replacing the burned MOSFET we removed. It is small, very small, so let's bring out the microscope. First, let's remove the little bypass we created. Let's add a bit of solder. So we have 8 pins, of which the 4 on the left are all connected together. These are called the drain. The pin on the top right is the gate, which is used to turn the MOSFET on and off, meaning it will pass current from the source to the drain or not. The lower 3 pins on the right are the source pins, which are also connected together. Since the original MOSFET was burned, some of its internals are left behind and will make it a bit difficult to solder in a new one without shorting the drain in the source. So let's see if we can cut that out with a razor blade. And we can, so now there is a little more space between the source and the drain side of the MOSFET. Now let's see if the new MOSFET will stick if we heat everything up with the hot air station at 380 degrees Celsius. Well, it is installed and both the source and drain are connected, but the gate pin isn't. Let's see if we can help it a little bit with the soldering iron. That probably did the trick. Let's connect power and the screen and see if it works.
Picture.
And it does. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you will join me in the next one. Bye then.